Hi, community. Welcome. My name is Kristin. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we're all about helping you live your best sustainable life. So, today I am going to share a 5-minute craft. It might even take you less time than that, but it's a 5-minute craft upcycled style. So, it's all about how to how to turn an ordinary mason jar into a pourable mason jar. So, you can use this for salad dressings or anything you want pourable, because we all know that these do not pour that great, right? So in this video, that is what I'm going to share: how to turn a ordinary mason jar into a pourable mason jar. But before we dive right in, I just want to let everyone know that I am hosting the Sustainable Human Workshop this December. So it's going to be December 6th to December 10th. I'm going to be going live for 5 days. I'm going to be going live every day at 12 Mountain Time. And I've invited different experts to come on live with me, sharing on their exclusive areas of expertise in sustainability. So we're going to be talking about solar, passive solar, the amazing world of bees, traditional indigenous knowledge, soil health, all of that good stuff. And it's in the exclusive Sustainable Human Facebook group. So the link to join that group is in the description of this video. So definitely come on over. It's going to be creative. There's going to be little homework challenges. It's going to be very interactive, and it's free. So definitely come and invite all your friends so we can spread sustainability, let it ripple around the globe. So I'm excited to meet you all, and I'm really excited to get started with that workshop. So now for today's video. But before we jump right in, I just want to remind everyone that liking, commenting, and sharing these videos also helps ripple the positive effects of sustainability around the globe. So thank you for supporting Bud Funding's mission. So let's jump right in. So let's figure out how to make this. So what do we need? Okay, so we need scissors, we need a mason jar, we need any sort of pen, and we need a carton. So some sort of carton that has, like a milk carton. I used oat milk, so some sort of carton that has a lid. So our very first step is we want to take this lid off, and we're going to use this area as our measure. So what we're going to do as our first step is take this, go directly on top of whatever container you're using, and draw your felt around that. And then once you have a mark on it, then that's what you're going to cut. And what I've found has been easier, I just dropped my lid there. What I found has been easier is just to cut these side portions off first. So if you just cut those pieces off, it makes cutting your drawn circle on the top a lot easier. So all you do is you cut and even if you make it flat, that sometimes helps too, because this top part can kind of be tricky to cut. So just by making it flat might help you as well. So all you want to do is cut that circle out that you drew. And this one's actually a little easier, so that's nice. So I'm not going to do the whole thing because you guys get the point. So cut that out, and then you'll have your top, and it will look something like that. And literally all you do is you pop this on the top, and then you take this and you close it up. And I'm just going to make sure so you just want to make sure it's on the top securely. Or another way to do it too that I found is you can just pop it right in the lid there. Just pop it right in the lid there. That's just so it has a good seal. So once you have it on like that, there we go. Perfect. Now you can see it's just securely in there. The light's a bit bright, but you can more or less see that. And now you have a pouring container, which is awesome. So you can use this for salad dressings, any type of sauce, hot chocolate, whatever you want, right? To store it in the fridge. Now you're actually able to pour it out. And I just did an extra detail here. I had some twine, so I wrapped it around. Or I had an old paper bag that I just cut out some hearts, just a few hearts here. And you could also stick those on as a last minute detail, but that's totally optional. The biggest thing here is now you have a pourable container. So that's basically it. So have you guys tried this before? Let me know. I'd love to see your creations. So definitely tag me anywhere that you have any pictures. And of course, if you want me to make any other 5-minute crafts, let me know. And I just want to remind everyone to join the Sustainable Human group. So that's the group where I'm going to be hosting my free 5-day workshop called the Sustainable Human Workshop, where I go live every day from December 6th to December 10th at 12 Mountain Time with a different sustainability expert. I am super excited to get started with that. So I can't wait to meet you in that exclusive group. Thank you so much for being part of this community, everyone. I really appreciate you all helping to spread sustainability across the globe. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you all have a great day. I will see you again very soon. Bye, everyone.